The sunshine is back this week over Imperial Beach, along with a cool breeze and a strong warning to stay out of the water. Testing still shows this ocean water is contaminated with toxic pesticides, E. coli, human waste, and sewage that keeps flowing untreated from Mexico.
We know now, pragmatically, that we have been using our coast when it was polluted and when we shouldn't. Our local mom and pop shops are being affected. We've seen a significant reduction in visitors.
Imperial Beach Mayor Paloma Aguirre joined California Congressman Scott Peters in an online press conference this morning to announce results of a report from San Diego State researchers in the School of Public Health. They found the recent record rains and constant atmospheric rivers have contributed to the more than 100 billion gallons of untreated sewage and urban runoff spilled into the Tijuana estuary and the Pacific Ocean. And even worse, the researchers discovered 392 contaminants are also polluting surrounding soil and the air, being carried by ocean spray across San Diego County.
Criteria for calling this a public health crisis really sets upon this idea that there is an exposure risk because of the vast amount of contamination that is occurring.
The problem is this federal South Bay sewage treatment facility on the U.S. side that has not been maintained and needs to be restored and expanded. The SDSU report provides evidence to prompt Congress to approve $310 million needed to get the work done.
This is really helpful. I think we have the evidence we need to show that this is a disaster, that it deserves funding, and that the federally owned treatment plant needs to be fixed by the federal government.
The San Diego State research team worked with data from 60 prior studies and reports already completed on the sewage crisis. That review helped them find trends that could lead to solutions if and when Congress allocates funding. Until then, the warning signs will stay up on Imperial Beach. M.G. Perez, KPBS News.